Okay, hello, Fabian my name. We are today at the tuning event of Premio. It's the 6th event today, and we are here presenting my car. It's a BMW E46. Let's come over, I will show it. At first I started with rebuilding the car, doing some parts, new parts, custom parts, like the GTR fenders, like the GTR hood. And then I was like, what can I do next? It was remove the engine and build something special. Like this one, it's the V3.62 Supercharger Kit from Hyde Motor Works. And the KC Design Concepts manifold, we just stick it together with an intercooler set. And that's how it works. We built this plate at first, fixed the supercharger here in the back side with another bracket, and put on the pulley, put on this bracket, and started piping this all out of the box like this. And next step is to get the fitting in, put it in the engine or put it in the car, and see how it looks. Some custom parts maybe we should use, and then we can things done. Over here we have some parts we can also do more, like pressure control. Also this very nice. And we will see what we can do next part, because here is the air filter. It sits here, the air comes from outside, inside the supercharger, going through the intercooler kit, inside the Hyde Motor Works KC Design Concepts manifold, inside the engine, and then the wheels will spin. Welcome.